this is a RAM slot and this is RAM. To install them, ensure you align these teeth to this part here. So you slant it like this, then you push it gently and the pins lock them in. For the other one, you just align this part, that hole there, you slant it like this, then push it. You remove it by adjusting these pins here, and it rolls out just like that. There's another RAM here if you want to remove this one also. They roll out just like that. That's it. Please follow for more.